Okay, you ready? No, you don't touch. We're gonna sing. You ready to sing Do a Deer?
Yeah.
Let's start from the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi.
Do, Re, Mi.
First three notes just happen to be Do, Re, Mi.
You do it.
Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti.
You ready? Say Do.
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 A deer, a female deer. Ray,
Ray.
a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a longer way to run.
You do it.
Two.
A needle full of thread.
You do it.
Yeah.
To follow so
Tea.
a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to dough.
Say Do.
Dough, a deer,
Say Do.
a female deer.
Ray.
Ray, a drop of golden sun.
Me.